It is all set up for leaf relief season. Some things are a little bit more hard to put on than some people think. That you gotta get that lined up with a little slot down there. As you can see, you gotta hook the retaining rubber bands to the front and rear anti-scout wheel. You gotta put the tube inside of that and get it lined up with these, and put the rubber retaining band on there. And the first thing is putting the bracket on the back that holds the top of the grass catcher. Lift the top up, and then scoot the bags in. Then close the top back down, and boom, like I said. Now, I did that first. The bracket that holds this on, then put that on, then lifted the top up, slid the bags in, then came here, put this on the mower, and then had to slide that far enough up in, get it lined up right to slide into these, and then stretch this retaining band over that little knob. But she's ready for the leaf relief season. Oh, and pine straw too, but no, the pine straw won't stop the tube up. I've used the grass catcher on a 28-inch high-vac snapper back in the day. Pine straw will clog the tube up in a New York minute, unless you run over it and chop it up real fine and make it in smaller pieces where the grass catcher tube wouldn't get clogged up. But she's ready for leaf relief season. Just get out there and get it done. It is what it is. It's that time of the year. So, y'all have a great day and catch y'all later. Thank you.